Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your PC actually meets the game's CPU, GPU, and RAM requirements, then update your operating system and graphics drivers. This fixes many crashes. Once done, quit overlays, antivirus scans, and streaming apps so they don't steal resources or cause conflicts. Make sure power settings are set to performance and that game files aren't corrupted. We'll run integrity checks next. These quick, targeted steps eliminate most environment-related crashes before deeper troubleshooting. Next, you dig into the game itself. Run the launcher's file verification or Steam's integrity checker to restore missing files, then launch at default or low settings to remove graphics complexity as a factor. If crashes persist, inspect Windows Event Viewer or the game's log files for error codes and module names, which tell you what failed. Once you identify a faulty DLL, driver, or mod, disable the mod, roll back the driver, or replace the corrupted file. That targeted fix usually resolves mid-stage issues. Finally, if targeted fixes failed, perform a clean reinstall of the game and optionally a clean install or rollback of your GPU drivers. That resets any buried corruption. Create a fresh user profile or run the game in Windows Safe mode to test without third-party interference. Once stability returns, reintroduce settings and mods one at a time. If it still crashes, use binary elimination, remove half the variables, test, and repeat. That one key troubleshooting technique narrows the culprit fast.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.